Why are you slogging and studying? I need a good education. Why you need a good education? To get a good degree. Why you need a good degree? To get a good job. Why you need a good job? To get a good salary. Why you need a good salary? So that I can give my children a good education. So that they can get a good degree and they can get a good job and they can get a good salary and they can give their children a good education. A meaningless cycle. أَفَحَسِبْتُمْ أَنَّمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ عَبَثًا. Is this what the wujud of insan is for? Is that this why Allah created the 7 heavens and the 7 earths? Is this why Allah is causing the sun to rise and set? So that this insan can hanker after sand and hanker after something that is temporary. وَأَنَّكُمْ إِلَيْنَا لَا تُرْجَعُونَ. And you are not going back to Allah? These questions were asked by Allah in the Quran for a reason. So that you ponder and reflect. أَفَحَسِبْتُمْ أَنَّمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ عَبَثًا. This is the meaning of that question which Allah is asking. If all this came into existence on its own, then you are free. Then you don't have to differentiate between milk and wine. And you don't have to differentiate between halal and haram. And between zina and chastity. And between riba and halal earning. Then you are free. But if there is a purpose behind the creation of all this, and when Allah has created all this, Quran is saying, Inna ja'alna ma'ala al-ardi zinatan laha linabluwahum ayyuhum ahsanu amala. Allah is testing you. Do not think this life is in vain. No. Everything is being recorded. أَيَحْسَبُ الْإِنسَانُ أَن يُتْرَكَ سُدًى. Do you think you are going to die and it's going to end there? No. Everything is being recorded. مَا يَلْفِظُ مِنْ قَوْلٍ إِلَّا لَدَيْهِ رَقِيبٌ عَتِيدٌ. Every word you utter is being written down. يَعْلَمُ خَائِنَةَ الْأَعْيُنِ وَمَا تُخْفِي الصُّدُورِ. Each time your eye strays, it is written down. Each time your heart plans the disobedience of Allah, it is written down. Those angels of Allah are recording everything. And a day is going to come when you will have to stand in the court of Allah.